Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So this month started with 13 Reasons Why, and I finished the final episode, which is the final season of season 4, and finally this entire series has ended. Started 4 years back. It was out. It was absolutely a series which created awareness about suicide and how Hannah had killed herself, and it gave basically a wave throughout the world that how suicide is not always the right option. There are always many ways in which you can deal with depression. So this video is going to be about the review of this final season of 13 Reasons Why. So let's start the video. So the season starts with a funeral scene, and again we are surprised to look at who is that character who has that died this season. And in the final episode, you will get to know that it is super depressing. So I'll be just reviewing a few characters and how I found. Particular characters development in the systematic way. So just starting with Clay, what could happen when help can't be sought? And as I said, he is the person who has had probably the biggest character development, because in the end he started to realize that yes, he should seek help whenever it is necessary. And again, it starts with again Clay being the person who thinks that he's responsible for everything that has happened. So again, that is the thing about Clay's character, that always he has to be the someone who is going to help, or he considers himself about the reason of someone's well-being. And if that is not happening, then he considers himself at the fault, which again brings him to that reason that his character is facing a lot in this season, starting from the anxiety attack, starting from all the depression that he's into. And the biggest mistake that he makes is that he doesn't tell anyone about that, even not even Justin, not even Annie. And he suffers through this a lot. And everything which was going on throughout the season, there is a huge revelation which happens that Clay was the one who was doing that, which was really surprising. And again, it is shown that how when he started taking help, it started helping him. So this season is again about how Clay had started throughout all the 3 seasons. Clay was totally in a sane mind and he was helping everyone, but how even he started facing all these things, this kind of situation has been shown in the final season of 13 Reasons Why. Second character, which is Jessica, her role in season 4 I did not find that much important, because throughout all the 3 seasons she has been into one of the important character, but in this season I did not found out that much about her. Also, when Justin had needed help, she would have given him a lot of help in many ways, but she totally walked him out of that situation. And she definitely could have given help at that time. Third character, which is Tyler, I have hated him through every episode. He was the only person when we actually start thinking whenever strange happens that it could be him, because he always loses his mind over everything. But in the end, he was like Snape, the person we hated throughout the series, and he turned out that he was helping everyone. He was helping the cops about the guns. So in the end, we started liking him. We ended liking him up. Fourth character, which is Tony. Again, he is a classic example of what should be done in a right way. But I really like the way in which he finally ended up in taking that scholarship, which can definitely change his future life, and that is that is actually more important while we think about it. The next character, which is Annie, I really can't believe that she was again she walked out over Clay when he needed the most. So Annie was introduced in season 3, who was into Bryce's house as one of his workers' daughter, and the way she acted in season 4, I was not like that much convinced. And I really think that she should have helped Clay in a way of standing by him whenever he had needed her in this, specifically in this season. But her role was not that much convincing as I thought. Next character is Alex. However, I somehow feel that despite of everything which has happened to him, I don't think that they showed like he just got free. Also, his different side was shown in this entire season of he experimenting things. But in the end, I honestly don't think that he got away by doing it with Bryce, and I don't think that it was like I don't think that it was too much convincing. They should have shown at least some action could have taken against him, which just makes it more worse. And because getting away with it as if it has never happened, even though he was protecting Jessica and whatever he did was for the entire gang. But again, killing someone is not that you can get away with. So I really think that they should have shown something in the end which could have made that point clear. And lastly, I was really broke to see what happened to Justin. He's the only character who has had the maximum character development. Starting from season one, who would have imagined we would have started liking him, just like the character of Jaime Lannister. And on the parting thoughts, Clay's speech was the best takeaway from the show. And also, I kind of hope that in the last season when the entire prom night was there, I kind of hope that the night we met song would played and they would have shown Hannah too dancing with him. But although she just made an appearance in the final episode, that was also okay. And again, showing the few characters from the past like Ryan and Courtney, they were also there in the final episode. So it was a good effort of wrapping up the show, I would say, because this show has shown and displayed what things you can't do, and specifically after the lockdown episode, how Clay had bursted into what exactly was happening. Because after all, these guys are school going students. Nothing should happen, nothing the sort should be subjected to these guys. And everything which has been happening in this particular show, it is not really that much to take away for a student like them. So that is all for this review video, guys. My takeaway would be the Clay's speech from the last episode, which is absolutely amazing, and how he brilliantly portrayed everything which none of the school going students should go through, and when they go through what they could do. And good job doing the entire wrapping up the show in a correct manner, because we have been seeing a history with series which don't go with a final good ending. So that is all for this video, guys. Do let me know how this video is in the comment section below, and do let me know how the final season you have liked it, or are you happy that this season has finally ended, or you are sad because it is ended. And again, this is my first series review video on the channel, so do let me know if any particular ideas if you have. And thank you so much for watching until here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.